press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, let us continue the problems on L is equal to R theta. In the previous class, we have discussed one problem about the minute hand of a clock is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? So, for that problem, you have to convert 40 minutes into degree. So, 40 minutes is nothing but 2 by 3 of a degree. 2 by 3 of a degree means you have to multiply 2 by 3 into 360 degree. So, that gives you 240 degree. That 240 degree, its equivalent in radian is 4 pi by 3. Because to use L is equal to R theta, the value of theta should always be in terms of radian and not in terms of degree. So, convert degree in terms of radian and then you can make use of L is equal to R theta. Now, let us come to the second problem of the same kind where we can make use of L is equal to R theta. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of a circle. Find the radius of a circle in which a central angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc of length an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. So, he has given the length of the arc and he has given the central angle, means theta is given in terms of degree. So, what is theta? Theta is 60 degree. So, convert this in terms of radian. Its equivalent in radian is pi by 3. And then he has given the length of the arc. That length of the arc is given to be 37.4 centimeter. Now, you need to calculate the radius of the circle. R is to be calculated. So, again you have this formula L is equal to R theta. Theta is equal to L by R. So, what is L? 37.4 divided by what is R? Sorry, now we require R alpha. R is equal to L by theta. So, what is the theta? Pi by 3. Okay. 37.4 into 3 divided by what is pi? 22 by 7. 37.4 into 3 into 7 divided by 22. So, will you simplify this 37.4 by 22? 22 ones are 22. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 15 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಉಳಿತು. ಇದು 4 ಅನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ 154 ಆಯಿತು. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 52 sevens is 154. So, here 1.7 is left. Here 21 is left. So, R is equal to 17 1 1 34 ಒಂದು 35. ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಿ ಯುನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲೋ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 37.4 ಇಂಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 7 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 22 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್. ಪಿ ಯುನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲೋ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, in a circle of diameter, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. The length of a chord, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. Find the length of the minor arc, length of the minor arc of the chord. Of the chord. It's a very good problem. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ 40 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 20 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The length of a chord is 20 centimeter. ನೋಡಿ, let us draw a simple rough diagram. This is the radius 20 centimeter. So it is also a radius, that must be 20 centimeter. It is a chord, so that is chord length is 20 centimeter, that is given. So can you say that this triangle is equilateral? So if it is equilateral, then this angle must be 60 degree. This angle must be 60 degree. So you know r, you know theta. Now you need to calculate length of the minor arc. So this is the minor arc, AB. This is AB is a chord. This is the minor arc of the chord, and this is the major arc of the chord. Now we need to calculate the length of the minor arc of the chord. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು, 300 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ತೀಟಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? 300 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೈನರ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಈಗ? ಇನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ AOB, OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. Therefore, triangle is equilateral. Triangle is equilateral. If it is equilateral, then theta must be equal to 60 degree. So what is 60 degree? Pi by 3. Theta is pi by 3. So theta ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್? 20 centimeter. Now we are asked the length of the minor arc of the chord. Therefore, length of the minor arc, length of the minor arc of the chord, length of the minor arc of the chord, L is equal to r theta. So what is radius? 20 into what is theta? Pi by 3. So that gives you, shall I do here? 20 into 20 by 3, this is, into what is pi? 22 by 7, that is 440 divided by 21. So let us divide 440 by 21. 21 2s are 42. 2 is left, 20. So ಇದು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 200.21 9s are, that is 189. 11 is left. So what is length of the minor arc of the chord? 20.9 centimeter. This is the length of the minor arc of the chord. Now let us come to one more problem. If in two circles, or you can keep here only 20 pi by 3 ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಪಕ್ಕ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಡೆಪ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 70 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ಸಿಂದನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್, ಇದ್ರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ನಮಗೆ. Now let us take one more problem. If in two circles, if in two circles arcs of the same length subtend angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center. Find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii. So very good question. So here what you must know, angle subtended kottidane, arcs of the same length. This is important one. Arcs of the same length means there are two circles, there are two arcs. Those two arcs subtend 60 degree and 75 degree at their respective centers. Then you have to compare their radii. The lengths of the arcs are same in those two circles, but the angles are different. So you have to compare their radii. That is the value of R1 by R2, or R1 is to R2. Let R1 and R2 be the R1 and R2 be the radii of the circles, radii of the circles which subtend let R1 and R2 be the radii of the circles, in which the angles subtended by the arcs of lengths L1 and L2, by the arcs of the lengths L1 and L2 are theta 1 and theta 2 respectively. Theta 1 and theta 2 respectively. So what is theta 1? Theta 1 is 60 degree. So that's equivalent is pi by 3. And theta 2 is 75 degree. Its equivalent is 5 pi by 12. Or you can convert using the relation that we have discussed previously. 5 pi by 12. But L1 is equal to L2. The lengths of the arcs are same. What is the expression for L1? R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. R1 by R2 is equal to theta 2 by theta 1. So what is R1? What is R1? That is not given, that is to be calculated. What is theta 2? Theta 2 is 5 pi by 12. And what is theta 1? Pi by 3. So pi cancel. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So R1 by R2. R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. So very good question. So the same type question is asked in your worked example. Just he has changed the values of theta here. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಅವನು 65 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 110 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಟೈಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 65 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 110 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು 65 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 65 ಪೈ ಬೈ 180 ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 115 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ, 115 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 115 ಇಂಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 180. ಸೊ theta 2 by theta 1, 115 pi by 180 divided by 65 pi by 180. So now 180 cancel, pi cancel. R1 is to R2 115 65. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 5 13 5 2 10 3 ಉಳಿತು, 5 3 15 65. ಹೌದಾನೆ? ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 65 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 110 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 65 degree and 110 degree, not 115. This is 110. Okay, 110 degree. So 110 divided by 65. 5 1 5 5 13 5 2 10 1 ಉಳಿತು 5 2 10. So R1 is to R2 is equal to 22 is to 13. 22 is to 13. That is the ratio. So which is a worked example. Now let us move towards one more problem. Find the angle in radian. Find the angle in radian. Find the angle in radian. Angle in radian through which a pendulum swings. Through which a pendulum swings. A pendulum swings. Through which a pendulum swings. If its length is 75 centimeter, if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length, the tip describes an arc of length, So he has given 3 problems. The first problem is arc of length 10 centimeter. Second problem is 15 centimeter, and the third problem is 21 centimeter. So I will do one problem, you can do the remaining 2 problems. Question ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. So let us take first problem. Length is, nodi, this is pendulum which is fixed at one end. This is called bob of the pendulum. So this pendulum swings like this. These are the extreme positions of the pendulum. This is the length of the pendulum, means it is the distance of the center from the arc subtended by the pendulum during its swing. That is nothing but radius of the pendulum. And then arc of length 10 centimeter. If it swings 10 centimeter, angle in radian. So you have to find this angle. That is the angle between the extreme positions of the pendulum. This is to be calculated. And what is the radius? Swings, if its length is 75 centimeter, that length is given. What is R? 75 centimeter, which is same for all the 3 problems. Just I am doing the first problem. So L is given, R is given, you have to find theta. Very simple question. L is equal to R theta. So what is theta? That theta can be taken as L by R. What is L? 10 divided by R is 75. So 5 2s are 5 15s are. Theta is equal to 2 by 15 So just express it in terms of radian. So ಈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕಿದನ್ನು. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಡೆಸಿಮಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 ಇದೆ, 15ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. 20 ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 15 1s are 15, 5 is left, 50, 15 3s are 45, 5 is left, once again 15 3s are. So you can also write it as 0.133 radian in terms of decimal. In terms of fraction, you can retain your answer as 2/15 radian. I hope you can do these two problems at home similar to the first problem. Okay. Now let us come to one more problem. The problems on L is equal to R theta are very simple problems. The only thing is that you have to convert the angle into radian when it is given in terms of degree. Now let us take a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. A wheel makes 360 revolutions. 360 revolutions in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Three 60 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Through how many radians? Through how many radians does it turn? Does it turn in 1 second? Just ಇದೇನು ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಗೆ 360 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್? ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಒಂದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 2 ಪೈ 2 ಇಂಟು 180 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಪೈ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಸೊ 2 ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 360 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 360 ಇಂಟು 2 ಪೈ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್, ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ described, the angle described in 1 revolution, so in 1 minute, in 1 revolution, in 1 revolution is equal to 360 degree is equal to 2 pi. Okay. The angle described, the angle described in 360 revolutions, 360 revolutions ಇನ್ನು 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ. 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್? 60 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. in 60 second is equal to 2 pi into 360. ಓಕೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೆಷ್ಟು? 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬೈ 60. Therefore, angle described, very simple question, in 1 second is equal to 2 pi into 360 divided by what? 60. R1 le RR le. So what is X equivalent? 12 pi radian. Question ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? Through how many radians ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ you have to convert in terms of radians only. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So that is 12 pi radian. So very simple question. One more question is there. Find the degree measure of the degree measure of the angle. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle. Subtended at the center of a circle. Subtended at the center of a circle of what? Center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter. Of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. So very simple question. But now you have to get the answer in terms of degree. ಆದರೆ ನಿನಗೆ L is equal to R theta ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ರೇಡಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ is given. So what is radius? 100 centimeter. Length of the arc is given. Length of the arc is 22 centimeter. Now you need to calculate theta. So what is L is equal to R theta. So theta is equal to what? L by R. What is L? 22 divided by what is R? 100. That is 2 11s, 2 50s. 11 by 50 radian. Because whenever you calculate theta using L is equal to R theta, theta should always be in terms of radian. But we are asked the angle in terms of degree. Degree measure ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ. ಎಸ್. How do you convert a radian into degree? This is radian. 180 divided by pi into 11 by 50. Or you can keep it as it is. 22 by 100 ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 22 by 100. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. 2 5s, 2 9s. Okay. 9 by what is pi? 22 by 7 into what? 22 by 5. Now 9 into 7 ಇದನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಇಂಟು 22 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 22 ಇಂಟು 5, 22 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 9 ಇಂಟು 7 63 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 is left 13, 5 twos are 10, 3 is left 12.6 degree. Or you can also convert 12 degree 0.6 degree ಅಂದರೆ 36 minutes ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಟ್? 60 minute ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು 10 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ನಮಗೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ 0.1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು 10 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಭಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ? 6 minutes ಬಂತು. ಸೊ 0.1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 6 minutes ಆಯಿತು. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 6.6 ಇದೆ. 0.1 ಅಂದರೆ 6 minute. ಸೊ 0.6 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 6 ಇಂಟು 6 36 minute. 0.7 ಅಂದರೆ 7 ಇಂಟು 6 42 minute. 0.5 ಅಂದರೆ 5 ಇಂಟು 6 30 minute. 0.4 ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಇಂಟು 6 24 minutes. Like that. What is 0.6 degree? 6 into 6 36 degree. So this is the degree equivalent of the angle. Okay. So now let us stop the today's class here. In the next class we will move towards one important concept in trigonometry, that is allied angles. So far you have seen the introduction to trigonometry, where we have seen the systems of measurement of angles. Among them you have 3 systems of measurement: sexagesimal, centesimal and radian or circular measure. But for trigonometry, for these 2 years we are using only 2 systems, that is a sexagesimal and radian or circular measurement system. In sexagesimal system we have one right angle is equal to 90 degree and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. In a radian or circular measure, how do you define radian? That is an important question. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is said to be 1 radian if the length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle. And also you have seen that the value of 1 radian is equal to 57 degree 16 minutes 22 seconds. And also you have seen that radian is a constant angle and pi radian is equal to 180 degree. You have also seen the expression for length of the arc, L is equal to r theta, and then area of the sector A is equal to half r square theta. To use theta in these 2 formula, that theta should always be in terms of radian. And also we have discussed the related problems so far. In the next class we will move towards the allied angles. So before moving towards the allied angles, now first let us discuss the quadrants, the different quadrants, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and their definitions, and also the range of angles which are present in that particular quadrant. So let us discuss all these things in the next class. Okay, thank you.